Welcome to How to Use Lighting to Enhance Your Home's Interior. Lighting is one of the most powerful tools in interior design, capable of transforming a room from ordinary to extraordinary. In this guide, we'll explore how the right lighting can set the mood, highlight your decor, and make your home feel more spacious and inviting. Over the next 5.5 minutes, you'll learn how to use lighting to elevate your home's design in simple but impactful ways. Lighting is much more than just a practical necessity. It's a key element of design. It can shape the atmosphere of any room, create focal points, and even make your space feel larger. The secret to using lighting effectively lies in layering different types of lights to create a balanced, harmonious environment. This includes ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. Let's explore how each one contributes to the overall ambiance of your home. Let's begin with ambient lighting, the foundational lighting that provides the overall illumination for a room. Ambient lighting is what fills the space with light, allowing you to see and move comfortably. The most common sources of ambient lighting are overhead lights, such as ceiling fixtures, recessed lights, or chandeliers. The goal is to have soft, diffused light that doesn't overwhelm the space. For larger rooms, consider dimmable lighting so you can adjust the brightness based on the time of day or your mood. A great example of ambient lighting would be in a living room with recessed ceiling lights or a large pendant light above the coffee table. These fixtures can spread light evenly across the room without creating harsh shadows. For spaces with natural light, like a sunroom or dining area, use ambient lighting in combination with the daylight to create a seamless, welcoming atmosphere. Next, we have task lighting, which is used to illuminate specific areas where tasks or activities are performed. This includes reading, cooking, working, and more. Task lighting is typically brighter and more focused than ambient lighting, and it helps improve visibility for practical purposes. In the kitchen, under cabinet lights or pendant lighting over the island provide bright, focused light for meal preparation. In a home office, an adjustable desk lamp or wall-mounted light can ensure that your workspace is well lit for reading or working. In your bedroom, task lighting could be a reading lamp beside the bed or adjustable sconces that allow you to focus light where you need it. The key here is to choose lights that give you enough illumination for specific tasks without creating glare or causing eye strain. Now, let's dive into accent lighting. This type of lighting is all about highlighting certain features or elements in a room. Accent lighting draws attention to artwork, sculptures, or architectural details. It creates visual interest and adds drama to your space. The most common forms of accent lighting are track lights, picture lights, or even spotlights. In the living room, you can use accent lighting to illuminate a favorite painting or design feature on your wall. A strategically placed spotlight can emphasize a unique piece of furniture or bring attention to a beautiful textured wall. Accent lighting not only adds personality but also contributes to the overall atmosphere by creating depth and visual layers in the room. When it comes to layering lighting, combining ambient, task, and accent lighting is key. Each of these lighting types serves a unique purpose, but together, they create a well-balanced, functional, and stylish room. Start with ambient lighting as your base and then add task and accent lighting to enhance specific areas. This method will ensure your space feels cohesive, warm, and thoughtfully designed. Don't forget about the color temperature of your lighting, which also plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Lighting color is measured in Kelvin, with warmer tones around 2700 K creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. Cooler lighting, around 4000 K or higher, is perfect for workspaces or kitchens, where you need bright, energizing light. Mixing these temperatures in different areas of your home can create a dynamic and welcoming feel. In conclusion, lighting is one of the most powerful tools you have in designing your home. By understanding and utilizing ambient, task, and accent lighting, you can enhance the look and feel of any room. Properly layered lighting can make your home feel more spacious, stylish, and inviting, and help set the perfect mood for any occasion. Remember to experiment with different types of lighting to discover the best